This is the graph of the basic function y equals the negative reciprocal of x. So, can you see it? Oh no, they can't see it. This function, at least the graphical representation of this function in the Cartesian points, uh, here, have a good representation of an idea, I thought, in halachically speaking. Okay? Good talk on complex halachic issues. Okay, thanks. Here's how it goes. You start, history goes along the x-axis forward. And as far as we can tell, for us, time only moves in one direction. When you're studying halacha, and you start from where we are, let's say, wherever you are in history, somewhere here, let's say, far along to the right on the x-axis, and we try to see halachic practice as we know it by working backwards, assuming that which we know today, vav is pronounced exactly like a vet, and the tough is pronounced exactly like a samich, and we try to work backwards, or any other major halachic questions. Well, that's what we do nowadays. There are halachic authorities who say that we're now in this time period where, halachically speaking, halachically speaking, a Jewish state is supposed to do whatever it can to rescue its soldiers from captivity, including surrendering everything to the enemy, right? You study halacha backwards, you go back in time, you're going to fall down towards infinity. Look at the numbers here. The y values just decrease. It falls down a slope like this. You work backwards, you fall down toward negative infinity. But when you study halacha going forward in time, you start from the beginning, and then you move forward a long time, you just go achieve amazing heights. It diverges to infinity. No, this is the graphical representation of the basic function y, or f of x, equals the negative reciprocal of x. Do you remember this? This is pre-calculus. No, okay, fine. The point is that when you study these issues from the beginning, you can understand where practice diverged, and you achieve major results. You study from the beginning. What? Study the Tanakh, and then the Talmud, and the Rishonim, and you'll begin to understand halacha. But if you start your halacha backwards, this is just what we do, and that's it. So you're going to hit rock bottom. I gave the example. What about that guy? How do we learn how to pronounce the Hebrew vowels? We start from the beginning, right? Then we could get to it. But like that other guy who said, my Rebbe said cholam is an oy, and that's it. So that's what we see now. And you can't really work backwards. You work backwards, you're just going to fall down to nothing.